Okay, today I'm here to review this Merry Moments 12 Days of Crafting. I guess it's an advent calendar. So has 12 crafts and it's for ages 6+. I got this at Aldi. I don't think they have them there anymore, but I did get it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it's got a slide off little sleeve, and it says on the back it says contains 12 ornament crafting projects. Each craft can consist of felt, foam, or paperboard, scratch art, pom-poms, gemstones, or stickers. Every craft will include a hanging string to create an ornament, and instructions are included for each one. Okay, so I'm just going to open them all. Okay. And number one, this one looks like, oh, you can make a mitten craft. This one is felt. And number two, this one is a polar bear ornament. And let's see, this is also felt? No. This is actually cardboard and stickers. You get to put the stickers on the, I think the bear is already made. You get to put the stickers for his scarf and the rest of it. Okay, number three. This is another kind of sticker one. It's an ornament. I mean, it looks like a ornament, and all you do is you put the these little things are like gems. You put them on the ornament, and then there's a bow that you can stick on. And here's the top part. Okay. This one is a photo ornament. So that's what the ornament looks like, and then you want to get a photo that's this size. So if you cut this out and then place it over your photos, so if you cut this out and place it over your photos, you can see if everybody's going to be in the photo or not. And this one is made out of foam, so it is red. Okay, number five. Okay, this one. Well, this is another kind of felt ornament, but there's also pom-poms that you can put on. Make whatever design you want. And there's little, these little round sticker things are actually the sticky back, double stick ones. So you can stick one to the pom-pom and then stick it to the felt ornament itself. Okay, number six. This is a candy cane ornament, and it is felt, or not felt, it's foam, and then there's a bow and some stick-on little gems. Okay, number seven. This is a gingerbread ornament. This one is, oh, this one's actually cardboard. And then you stick on the, his eyes are right here. And then there's some more stick on for buttons, and then there's probably other things. Oh yeah, there's stickers behind him right here. Okay, number 8. This one is a I think it's supposed to be like a cupcake or a cake. And this one is felt. So you have the felt pieces, and you have some other little sticker gems, it looks like. And then a pom-pom for the top. It's like a cherry on top. Okay, number 9. This one is says joy, and it's a felt. The joy part is felt, and then there's pom-poms to put on each letter, and these brown things are the stickers put on the pom-pom, and then you put it on the letter and it should stick together. Yeah, this one is a little reindeer. Oop, there he is, or she is. This one is foam. She's got some eyes back there, and there's different things you could stick on. Some little gems too. So she's a cute one. Number 11. This one is one of those that you scratch off. So it's got the black tree, and then you use this little tool to scratch off things, designs. And then underneath is a colorful, like rainbow colored. And then there's also a star you could stick on there, and a few what do you call these? Rhinestone type ornaments. Okay. And the last one is number 12. It's another photo ornament. This one is a wreath. So you cut out this round circle and put the what's left. Not, you don't put the circle on the photo, but put the outside part so that you can see the photo underneath, and then you can see whether the photo you're putting it on is gonna show everybody that you want to show. And this is a foam one. So yeah, that's all the crafts for this one. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it's a pretty good deal. You're getting all these crafts. And they look like they're pretty easy to do. You can make ornaments for your tree this year. So let's see, I'm going to give this one an A, because the crafts are, most of them are pretty cute. And so I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.